Well, welcome and happy July. I hope everyone is having a great summer. We've got a lot of exciting things happening in our organization and want to keep you updated on those things. But first and foremost, just wanting you all and your families to have a great summer. Make sure you stay healthy and safe. The summertime is filled with a lot of activities, but it's also filled with some things that we have to pay attention to, like overexposure to sun and dehydration, and so just make sure that you're staying safe as you're out enjoying this summer in the beautiful mountains of western North Carolina. We want to congratulate Kaylin Durham, a nurse on 2 North, for winning the Daisy Award. The Daisy Award is a national program recognizing excellence in nursing, both the clinical skill and compassionate care that our nurses and nurses across the country deliver to patients on a daily basis. So we've been able to recognize a number of nurses in our hospitals. Kaylin is the latest one to receive this honor, so congratulations, Kaylin. We're so proud of the work you do and the impact that you make on our community and our hospital on a daily basis. We want to congratulate the Harris Wound Healing and Hyperbaric Center for receiving the 2018 Center of Distinction Award. This is the second year in a row that our wound center here at Harris has received that award. It's an award that represents and honors the clinical excellence of wound centers across the country, and we're so proud of the work that our employees who are a part of the Wound Care Center do for patients on a daily basis, the impact that that service makes on our community. So congratulations to all of our employees on yet again receiving this prestigious award. We're really excited for both of our hospitals, Harris and Swain, to have recently announced a partnership with Southwestern Community College. It's called the Student Nurse Apprentice Program, or SNAP for short, and it's a program whereby we sponsor students to go through either the nursing or nurse aid programs at Southwestern Community College, paying their tuition and expenses for their education in return for them coming to work for us for a period of 3 years in the case of nurses and 1 year in the case of nurse aides. This is a really important part of our mission of making communities healthier, being able to invest in people as they receive their education and then coming to work for us so that we can have people from our local communities taking care of people from our local communities following their education. So for more details on that program, don't hesitate to contact Becky Wilkes. And we're just really excited about this meaningful partnership with Southwestern Community College as we work with them to train the next generation of healthcare workers for our communities. We want to welcome a new family nurse practitioner, Emily Jenkins, who will be joining us to staff our clinic on campus at Western Carolina University. That's called Harris Family Care Cullowhee. This clinic and this primary care access point is an important part of our partnership with Western Carolina University. It's called the Ascent Partnership. There are many components to that partnership, ranging from support of athletics programs, athletic training, physician coverage for Western Carolina athletics, sponsoring arts programs for the university and the community, and then also making sure that we're working together with Western to make healthcare more accessible throughout our community. So Emily will join us and will be staffing full-time our clinic in the Health and Human Sciences building there at Western Carolina University. That clinic is open to our entire community, not just those who are working for the university or students at the university. So we're really excited for Emily to join us and for us to get our location and access point on campus at the university staffed on a full-time basis. We have a community forum in Macon County on July 11th. If you live in that area or are just interested in what we have going on in Macon County, please come out on July 11th. The forum will be at the Town Hall there in Franklin at 7 p.m. on the 11th, and we're just going to be talking about our presence in Macon County, which is really a long-standing presence, more than 20 years with our outpatient facility in Franklin, We're going to be talking about healthcare for our region in general, the services that we continue to expand to better serve the numerous patients who come to our hospitals from Macon County, some expansion plans that we're beginning to develop for Macon County. So again, if you live in that community or you're just interested in what we have going on over there, join us at 7 p.m. Franklin Town Hall on July 11th. You know, we say this a lot, but our organization, the patients we serve, it's really made up of the individual experiences of each patient and their family. And as we have those folks coming into our facilities, we want to make sure that they feel welcome, and part of the way we do that is we always acknowledge them and introduce ourselves to them. You know, I say this a lot, but it bears repeating because it's so important. We have people coming into our hospitals, into our physician practices at the most vulnerable times in their lives. When they're sick, they're uncertain in many cases as to what the future may hold. And it's really important for them to see a caring, smiling face who takes the time to acknowledge them and introduce them. So again, I'll just remind all of us, let's make sure we do that. Let's make sure as we're walking the hallways of our hospitals that we've got our heads up, we're not on our cell phones, and we're making a special effort to see patients and families and recognize opportunities to make them feel more welcome in a warm, inviting environment. So thank you for helping us do that and holding us accountable to that standard. So make sure you stay connected to us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and check out our intranet site often as we post organizational updates. You know, we've accomplished a lot in our organization over the past year, opening a new emergency department, the New Generations Family Birthing Center. There's a lot to be excited about. There's a lot of work left to do, and we're going to be very busy in the coming weeks and months as we continue to live out our mission of making communities healthier. And I just want to thank everyone for their contributions to that on a daily basis. Keep in mind, you know, people like me, I talk in terms of, often in terms of statistics and numbers and volumes, but all of that is made possible by the individual experiences of every single patient, every single family that we have the honor of serving. And you do a great job in helping us live out our mission each and every day with those patients and families. So thank you for doing that. Have a great summer, and we'll be back with another update soon.